student, today we are learning volume of the cylinder. This is the water bottle. Measure the height of the bottle is with the help of this scale. The height is 23 centimeter, 23.5 centimeter, and then diameter of this bottle is 7 centimeter. Diameter is 7 centimeter. Then radius is equal to diameter upon 2. 7 upon 2 means 3.5 centimeter. That's the division. Then volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square. Pi means 22 upon 7. R means 3.5 bracket square. Means this right 2 times. दोन वेळा लिहायचं त्याला आणि उंची किती आहे ते x/5 तर 22 upon 7 3.5 into 3.5 height is 23.5 then divide by 7 is 0.5 multiplication of these two numbers that is 11 into 3.5 that multiplication is 38.5 and multiplication of these two numbers is approximately 904.75 cubic centimeter means this is 905 milli and it's converted into liters is divided by 1000 that is 1 liter water is included in this bottle. या बॉटल मध्ये 1000 लिटर पाणी आहे असे या उदाहरणावरून सिद्ध होते. बरोबर. कारण याची हाईट मोजली आणि याचा जर डायमीटर मोजला व्यास मोजला आणि याचं कॅल्क्युलेशन अशा प्रकारे केलं तर या बॉटल मध्ये प्रत्यक्षात